Form follows function, every curve calculated. Robotics ensure consistency, impossible by hand.
Absorbency tested to medical standards.
Every year, millions of tons of banana stems are burned as waste, until now. Each stem, once harvested, holds hidden potential. From field to factory, the journey of transformation begins. Within hours, these stems will become something extraordinary. Welcome to the future of sustainable manufacturing.
Precision starts the moment raw material arrives. Every stem must be processed within 24 hours to preserve fiber quality.
Stage 1. Mechanical breakdown. Layers peel away, revealing the fiber within. From destruction comes creation.
Water separates fiber from flesh, an ancient technique, perfected.
Gravity and pressure work together.
Nothing is wasted. Even this water feeds the next crop. Fiber emerges, delicate yet stronger than you'd imagine.
Heat transforms moisture into strength.
°80°C, 8 minutes. Precision is everything.
Human touch still outperforms any machine.
Every gram accounted for, every fiber destined for purpose.
Carding aligns each strand, preparing for the final transformation. From plant to product, the raw material is ready. Now begins the alchemy.
Water and fiber unite.
Gravity and pressure, perfectly balanced. Pressure molds chaos into form. From liquid to solid, the foundation of innovation.
Precision cutting, not a millimeter wasted.
Here, nature meets science. Microscopic crystals that absorb 20 times their weight.
No chemicals, no glue, just pressure and design.
Heat seals nature's work. Form follows function, every curve calculated. Robotics ensure consistency, impossible by hand. The final layer, where comfort meets engineering. Every pad inspected, every flaw detected. Folded, sealed, ready.
Information etched in milliseconds.
10 pads per box, 10,000 boxes per day.
Sealed for safety, sealed for trust. Identity complete. Nature's solution, clearly marked.
From box to case, from factory to future.
Not a single pad leaves without passing these tests.
Absorbency tested to medical standards.
At the microscopic level, perfection revealed.
Strength tested, durability confirmed.
Skin safe, chemical free, certified.
Organized, secured, ready for the world. Protection for the journey ahead.
Thousands of units, all traced, all accounted for.
From this dock, sustainable innovation reaches continents.
And this is how modern factories transform agricultural waste into products that change